Who yells more?
Dad.
Who's better at sports?
Huh?
Who's better at sports?
Daddy.
Who cuddles the best? You gotta point it. Who cuddles the best?
What's cuddle?
Cuddle, hugs and snuggles.
That's my...
Who are you more scared of?
I'm scared of Daddy.
Who eats the most?
Mom. Dad.
Who's most fun?
Mom.
Who's in their phone more?
Huh?
Who's in their phone more? Who cleans more?
Mom.
Who takes a shower more?
Mom.
No, it's Daddy. Who drives better? Noah.
Mom.
Who teaches you the most?
Mommy.
I'll get him. Who teaches you the
I'll
most?
kiss him.
Who cleans more?
Mom. Mom.
Who drives better?
Mom. Dad.
Who teaches you the most?
Mom.
Who is funnier?
Mom. No, Dad.